Welcome to the world of Dino.
January 21st, about 11 p.m. I'm a couple hundred feet from my house. You can hear it going off in the background right now. Kind of sounds weird. Kind of sounds doggish, hyena-ish, but you can hear it going off in the background right now. It's really kind of strange, just to say the least. It's been going off for about 15-20 minutes so far by the fire station. And it's pretty crazy, so if you can listen, that'd be crazy. Hold on. I mean, that almost sounds like laughter. I don't know what it is, or what that is going off right there. You can hear it. Pretty sure my friend who's doing a documentary on Bigfoot will enjoy this footage. I think that was a gunshot. Somebody just shot over into the woods.